Create a PDF from PowerPoint with animations. I have PowerPoint slides with visual effects on them, so each line appears after clicking on the screen in the presentation. When I convert them to PDF, the slides are mostly empty, and only some titles are in them, and the lines that have the visual effect don't appear. They come out looking like this. How can I convert them to PDF properly, without having to go through all of the slides? There are like 200 of them, and removing each effect.
You may want to have a look at the answer to this question instead of following the accepted one above. Converting a PPT to a PDF while maintaining the animation steps is something I too have been looking into for a long while, without finding a satisfactory solution. That is why I have decided to write an add-in on my own which does exactly this. Splits the slides at each animation step, being it mouse triggered or not depends on the user's choice, while modifying, adding, deleting, altering, the shapes in the fragmented slide according to the animation effects. If you are interested, I have packaged the add-in in an easy-to-use installer, which adds a toolbar, or tab, if you are using Office 2007, to your PowerPoint. In case you are not satisfied, you can easily remove the add-in using the standard control panel Add/Remove Applications tool. You can get Split here. Examples of usage are also provided.
Split, mentioned above, appears to be only for Windows. If you're on OS X, a not always perfect option I've used is to open the PPT/PPTX file in Keynote. From the menu bar, select File and GT, Export to and GT, PDF. Then check the checkbox Print each stage of builds, and click Next. Caveat, as it's not its native format, Keynote does not always read PowerPoint files exactly right. Check that any complex slides, not just animations, but also ones containing things like math formulae requiring precise formatting, have been reproduced faithfully. If not, adjust accordingly in Keynote to correct any aberration. I haven't personally tested the following, but for a cross-OS solution, for LibreOffice, which also has PPT/PPTX import, there is this extension and this one. Note, however, that the latter rasterizes everything to bitmaps, which may be very undesirable, depending on your purpose.
PDF files don't handle any kind of animation, and you can show only one representation of a PowerPoint slide per PDF page. Keep in mind that PDFs are portable data format, which means they don't follow the rules of any particular software. In essence, a PDF is a screen representation of a paper printout. You would not expect animation on a paper printout, so don't expect them in a PDF either. If you want your audience to see the animations, you will need to provide them with the PowerPoint deck or save the PPT as a video. If you need a PDF version of a highly animated PowerPoint deck, you will need to create a copy of the PPT and let each slide display only and all the elements that you want to show on the PDF. Then save as PDF or print to your PDF printer.
As an alternative, the action described by Talin in the last paragraph. Create a copy of the PPT and let each slide display only, and all, the elements that you want to show on the PDF. Can be automated by using the Split PowerPoint add-in available at this URL. If I have understood correctly, the add-in should do exactly what you want to achieve, render animation effects in separate slides, that can then be converted in PDF.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.